this is Mrs. Granger from Marisa. Today we will be making fruit kebabs. Okay, all of my fruit has been washed and cut. It is ready to put together for our fruit kebabs. This is the fruit that I chose today, but if you have different fruit in your fridge, use whatever you have. It's pretty if it looks like the rainbow though, so try to use some different colors. I have pineapple, banana, cantaloupe, and strawberries today. I also have a skewer stick. If you don't have a skewer stick, that's okay. You can use maybe a popsicle stick. That would work. So I'm gonna put them on just a little bit through the middle. Strawberry, pineapple, cantaloupe, banana, and I'm kind of taking turns. If you want to put it all in a different kind of a pattern, have fun with it. I did cut my fruit a little bit bigger. If you see the chunks are a little bigger pieces, it just stays on the skewer a little better. If you want to put a pattern of maybe 2 strawberries and then 2 pineapples, change it up. Make it fun. Ooh, that's a heavy kebab, but look at how beautiful that looks. Okay, next, I'm gonna put some yogurt and some granola. We wanna add a little crunch to this. Okay, I have yogurt and some granola. I'm gonna put that on my plate also. Okay. Now you're gonna take your skewer and roll it in the yogurt. Get it kind of coated good. You can even use your spatula or a spoon. This is a messy one, so make sure that you are prepared to get a little sticky. Okay. And then you want to put the granola on. You can roll it. I like a lot of granola, so I might add just a little bit extra. And there you go. There's a fruit kebab.